Alright, some people have asked me for more footage of flying drones within moving vehicles like trains, etc. Here's some very brief footage of what it's like to fly inside of a moving plane. I was on an empty flight, and since the airplane mode rules had been relaxed, I asked the crew if I could fly an RC toy. Due to some threats from some online trolls, I won't show any identifiable footage of them, as I don't want them harassed, and it makes for a very brief bit that I can show. As you can see, the drone had a harder time flying and staying in place. In this train, I asked the passengers if they were cool with me flying, and you can see that the flight gets jerky. Here I'm going to play a little bit of chicken with the doors. But the flight gets jerky when the train goes into motion. I start crashing into the poles a bit as it changes speed. But, it's obviously very possible to fly within a moving train. And for anyone who is curious, here is another example.